Good morning, everybody. It's me again, Crazy Bag Lady. Are you ready for your walk? Are you coming? Are you coming for a walk? So my hubby's done school run because he's not at work today. So I'm just home alone, but he's nipped out, but then he's coming back, and I thought, oh, I'll go and do my little walk like I normally do. And when he sort of came up to me with a tail wagging, and then as soon as I got a coat out, she ran off. Are you coming for a walk, my darling? Come on. Come on. You have to get out your little warm bed. I have to get out of my bed. It's real life. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Right, let's go. No. 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 Come on. Come on. Oh, come on. Are you coming? Good girl. Right, come on. I'm going to put your coat on. Right, we'll get her for a walk. Right, I think I'm ready. I'm half asleep. I've not done my hair. I've not had my breakfast. And obviously I've not even been on school run, so I'm half asleep. Right, are you ready, ladies? Let's go. I'm home. I'm home, my darlings. Whew. It's really warm. It's so strange. In fact, I'm a bit hot with this cardigan on. I can't believe it. We're having like an Indian heat blast or something, I think they said on the radio. It's really, really warm. Oh, it was so sad because as I was walking, I saw an old man whose wife died earlier this year, and he was talking to me about his wife, and then he was like crying, like he had tears in his eyes, and oh, it was so sad, so sad. And he just said that at night time, obviously because of lockdown, when he shuts his door, he knows that's it, that he's not going to speak to anybody again for ages. And he said the hours just drag. He says, and I don't sleep properly. And oh, it was so sad, so sad. I just wanted to hug him, but obviously you're not allowed to go near anybody. So that was just so sad, bless him. But the walk was nice, and I've just noticed the sun has started to come out. So hopefully it's going to brighten up and be a really nice day. Woo, you're going to love this. Tractor and the combine are in the field doing the cutting it. So it's sweet corn, I think. I've been waiting for them to do this. I'm so glad I was at home to show you because it's so interesting. So today all that in the field will be gone and it will all be flat. I'll try and catch them when they come back past again. I think they're coming now. Here they come. Can't believe this is right near my back garden, can you? Look at that. So lovely. You're watching them out the window. Was you watching them? Oh, are you very cute? I don't want to tickle your tummy. I want to watch the tractor. Did you enjoy your walk this morning? Was it nice? Did you do lots of sniffing? Oh, you're good at sniffing, aren't you? Hey. I love you so much. You're so fluffy. Aren't you? Do you think the tractor will be coming back? I think it will. See, you're never alone when you've got a little animal you can talk to. I hope you're enjoying the field action. Woo! Look at the sun. So beautiful and so different to yesterday. Obviously yesterday it was so awful. We've not seen the sun for so many days, so I'm trying to lap it up. Got my little balcony thing open and it's just so nice, trying to get as much fresh air as I can because I really do think it does you good. I won't really film anymore because I don't want to bore you, but I just find it so interesting, and obviously it's only sort of happens once a year behind our house. I find it so lovely to watch it, and especially at the minute I think just little things like that make you really appreciate the world, and it's just so lovely. I don't know how the sweet corn survives when it all gets thrown into the back of that tractor, but it must do. Lipstick of the day. I actually realised, Amy, that we didn't put lipstick on yesterday, so no wonder we're a bit gloomy yesterday. We should have put some lipstick on and we didn't. So, lipstick of the day today, I've got an Avon 16-hour lipstick in colour Resilient Red. My favourite lipstick that just doesn't come off. It's like liquid concrete and it just stays bright red all day. It's mask proof. It doesn't come off on your mask. It doesn't come off on your boyfriend, your husband, your sister, your best friend, your girlfriend, anybody. It's absolutely brilliant. I love it so much. Honestly, don't knock it till you've tried it, but it does set like concrete, so it doesn't come off. It's so good. Right, we're nipping out. So outfit of the day, I've got my yellow shoes on because it's a bit warmer. I thought I'd put my yellow shoes on. I've got my little bag, fluffy scarf, cardigan. Don't need a coat because it's quite warm. So we're going to fetch some little tweed fabric pieces because the lady where I got them from last week is doing a click and collect service because obviously all the shops are shut, but we're allowed to order what we want and then just pick it up from her shop door. So we're doing like a click and collect. So we'll have to fetch some more tweed samples so I can make some more little tweedy Christmas trees and stuff. So off we go. Every time I end up going out with my husband, it's always, can we just nip to here, to this garage or whatever? So I'm now waiting for him. I'm stuck in the car while he's collecting something. I'm so bored. I'm so bored. I wish I was just at home watching the combine out my window. I'm so bored. We're on the move again. So we're nearly there. So the lady knows I'm coming and she knows what I want to get. So I've got my money ready. And then they just meet you at the shop door, I think, and just pass it you. So I have to get my bits of tweed. We're home, and this is Tuesday's calendar. Isn't it sweet? It's all about the streets of Paris, and what does it say? Oh, it's vintage advertising posters. Increasingly rare and bring high prices in Paris shops. Oh, aren't they lovely? Look at that face. You're very cute. Oh, right, it's only just 5 to 12, but my hubby wants to have an early dinner because he's got stuff he wants to do, and I desperately need to clean my hall floor. It's getting really dirty where we're coming in and out the front door. I think I'm going to have to get a bigger doormat and perhaps have a move around of the mirror and stuff. So that's my little project for this afternoon. So early dinner. So for dinner today, we're having spaghetti shapes on toast. Oops, I burnt the toast. I'm just going to cover it in spaghetti shapes. He'll never know. Ah, there's my little dinner. You can't even see my toast. My toast is under there. So off to enjoy my little spaghetti letters. Right, my dinner was lovely. My husband spotted the burnt toast. He said, "What's this? Burnt toast." Right, okay, so dilemma. My floor is getting absolutely filthy. Because the ceiling's not very high, the door sits really low to the floor, so really you should have a doormat there, but you can't, because as soon as you open the door it hits the doormat and it won't open. So we have to have the doormat further over here, but the floor's just getting so dirty, so we think we need a bigger doormat, and whether we need like a bit of a runner or something. But we've moved the cupboard was there, so we've just pulled the cupboard over here to see if we can perhaps put a bigger mat or something over there. It's a bit of a pain. So we're just having a play about, and I need to clean the floor. It's so dirty. Oh, right, that's my floor mopped. So I've mopped that area. So I'm just trying to work out now if we can get a big rug or something to go down there so we can stand on it when we come in. Ah, right, I've just put my little flowers in the window. Has anybody else been on by Meadow Maid's website? Have they treated themselves to any of these? They are absolutely gorgeous. I love them so much. Obviously we got them last week and they're just absolutely wonderful. Look. I'll try and remember to put their Instagram in the link down below, but check out their page. Their stuff's just amazing. Treat yourself, it's wonderful. Oh, I've just hung this in my hallway. I cannot tell you how beautiful my hallway smells of lavender. It smells really clean and nice, and every time I walk through the hall I think, oh, it smells so lovely. So I am actually going to put this one and the Christmas trees in my little eBay shop, and then I'm going to make myself one in a different colour that will match my hallway better. But oh, the smell, I don't know if it's because of the tweed, the smell's coming through so nice, it's wonderful. Are you okay there, Winifred? Are you inspecting what we've done? I'm just measuring up for doormats, nothing exciting. Right, that's confusing. My mirror is now the other way around. So my mirror is just here at the minute. I don't think it's going to stay there. I think I like it where it was before. But we're trying to work out if there's more room as we come in the door for our mucky feet and stuff. So, right, anyway, we're going on school run. Let's go. Oh, the sky looks a bit angry. You can't believe actually at the minute the sun is out. But whether that's going to get us or whether it's going to pass by, I don't know. But it looks a bit dark and angry. Right, we're home. The jacket potatoes are in the oven. Can't wait. Love jacket potatoes on a cold wintry day. So I have jacket potato, lovely cheese and baked beans. Oh, it'd be lovely. But we just got to wait an hour for them to cook and I'm so hungry. Oh, so that's the field all done. So the field's all done. The sun's going down and probably in about 20 minutes it will be dark outside. Oh, it was so lovely this morning. I'm so glad that we got to watch it. Daddy Shark! I'm waiting for my tea to cook. Are you waiting for your tea to cook? Is your tea nearly ready? There's my little tea. So for tea tonight, there's my lovely jacket potato with baked beans and lovely cheese. Ooh, off to enjoy it. Everybody else eat the tea like this. A pug, when it eats, is the greasiest thing in the world, and it literally doesn't start eating. Like, it struggles to even breathe while it's eating because it has to eat its teeth out fast. Is it nice, Winnie? Is it nice? They are like little piggies. Like a little piggy, isn't it, Ruby? Right, my dears, I'm going to love you and leave you. We're all off for a lovely big bubble bath. So I'm going to have a lovely Avon bubble bath. Can't wait, love it so much. Avon bubble bath is amazing. If you've never tried it, you need to try it. It's wonderful. For £2 you get the biggest bubbles. It's just wonderful. So the link to my Avon shop is down below, and the link to my little eBay shop with all my little crafts and my little tweedy things and stuff that I've made is all down below. They're only like 99p, so go and have a look. So many thanks for joining me today. We're still in lockdown. We're nearly approaching our first week, so hang on in there, we're all in it together, my darlings. So big hugs to everybody. Huge shout out to my queenies. I hope you're okay, my darlings. So if you do enjoy just a bit of real life, then please subscribe to my channel and come and find me on Instagram as mrscrazybaglady. So I love you and leave you. I will speak to you tomorrow. Please take care. Bye.